Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Indian dish called chicken tikka masala. I first fell in love with this dish when I visited Wales to visit my girlfriend's family for Christmas, and goddamn, when they showed me the half and half combo, I fell in love. So if you want to check it out, the recipe is in the description down below. Let's go, guys! So first, we're going to start off by marinating our chicken. Once this has sat in the fridge for about 1 hour, we're going to throw it in the oven at 500 degrees for about 15 minutes, and at the end, throw it in our sauce. To start our sauce, we're going to start cooking down our onions, garlic, and ginger. Once we got a little bit of color on that, we're going to add the rest of our seasonings. That's going to be our cumin, our paprika, our chili powder, similar flavors that we put into our chicken marinade. Don't forget the garam masala. Once that's cooked down, we can add our tomato sauce. Once we bring that up to a boil, we can finally add our cream. We want this to reduce down a little, but once that's done, our chicken should be ready and out of the oven. Drop that in, and we can cook this down a little bit more. After about another 15 minutes of cooking down, we'll be ready to plate. Here comes the best part, the half and half. The half rice, half fries combo. And that tikka masala will just absorb right into everything. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, and comment. Cheers.